Hello YouTube. This is an update because Cudo Miner with my GTX 1660 Ti has now broken into the black. It's making about a nickel a day. So maybe a little hard to read. I may zoom in here a little bit. It says it's making 63 cents. This is my dedicated PC with this GTX 1660 Ti. It costs about 58 cents a day to run. So it's a single GPU, as you can see down here in the legend, GTX 1660 Ti. I think the reason it's managed to be profitable, partly because Ravencoin has picked up some in the last week or so, but also because the 1660 Ti has a much better energy efficiency in terms of its power consumption. So it dropped the power demand substantially compared to what I used to have in this rig, which was the GTX 960 that was significantly at a loss. So that hasn't been in there a while. I've had the GTX 960 shut down for a number of months since the 1660 came out just a week or so ago. I thought I'd give it a try, and it turned out to be good. So it's making money, not a lot of money, but some money, and that's good news. So I'm thinking about adding another one. The one I have is a Gigabyte Windforce GTX 1660 Ti OC for overclocked. I may get a second one, or I may get an EVGA XC Ultra overclocked. We'll see. But if I get the latter, I'll do another update. And certainly when I get the two cards in, I'll do an update on how much money they're making. I have seen this fluctuate a little bit. When Ravencoin hit about 6.5 cents a couple days ago, it was up to 79 cents a day. And now it's dropped back a little bit, but still it's good. So hope that helps.